Good morning, all. This is Jack from Charting the Markets Crypto, and this is the pre-market webinar for the morning of Friday, the 5th of June. My disclaimer, I do this for educational purposes only. I'm here to share my technical analysis with you. I hope you can take some of what I'm doing and learn from it, transfer it to your own charts, and I'm not here to issue trading signals. This is a video for paying subscribers at ccmcrypto.substack.com, and it's published on YouTube after a delay of 24 hours. All right, great. Okay, well, obviously, I'm pretty confident that we're going to see Bitcoin break down below, to confirm the break below the weekly middle band at the end of the week. We are testing an important support level here, which is the 200-week moving average. Does this level generally hold? No, but it's something that gets tested and broken in bear markets, and last time the low wasn't that far below it. So that may be the case again this time. Is it likely to be below it? Yes, I do not think this is the bear market low, but I think that we might see a bear market low in not too far below this. Kalshi suggested 46k, which is interesting because I was thinking 49k. Which isn't too far away. But I think are we at the bear market low? Likely not. Are we getting close to the bear market low? I think yes, probably. We shall see. All right, looking at the daily chart. 3SD lower band is at 58,452, so we're not that close to it today, but obviously it's extending down at quite a pace now. We haven't quite made it to the bear flag target at 60.1k. We do have a 60-minute buy signal fix. The one that was brewing yesterday morning has now fixed. And do we have a nice looking little potential level bottom here? Yes, we do. And if we were to see a sustained break above 64.7k from here, we would then be looking at a target in about the 68k area. Where are we looking at for the daily middle band? We've got that at about 73k at the moment, but the main resistance here, if we are going to see a sizable rally, would be the weekly middle band at 75k, approximately 72,573. And one thing I would note is, if you look at the last bear market, really, there wasn't a significant break above the weekly middle band until the end of until the low was in on the bear market. Of course, we could see the same thing here. So if I'm thinking in terms of a rally here, and I am, that would be the obvious target to not make a significant break above. All right, looking at Solana. Solana has made the bear flag target, and we've seen a full retest of 67.65. This has set up a large double bottom, which I'm slightly skeptical about delivering, because that would involve a move back above the weekly middle band there. Is that as strong a resistance level on Solana as it is on Bitcoin? Historically, on the last one, yes, it is. We didn't see a significant break above it until we saw the low. So again, I'm watching that as main resistance here. What I am thinking is we've got daily 3SD lower bands at 63.27. We're slightly, we've more or less come down and touched it. This is a good area to see a bounce from. 60-minute buy signal, we've still got one fixed. And in terms of a bottoming pattern here, not as nice as it is on Bitcoin, but we've definitely got potential bottoming action here. I am wondering about a rally. In terms of Ethereum has made the bear flag target as well. That's at 1746.93. We're getting pretty close to a big support trend line here, which I'm wondering, it doesn't have to hold, but I am wondering if it might hold. And I've got that in about the 15,900 area at the moment. On the daily chart, daily 3SD lower bands at 1613, so we are close to it, but staying above it at the moment. The buy signal failed, of course. We could set up another buy signal with a rally and a retest of the low. We will see. We only had one in the last bear market, and that was a flag, wasn't it? So just looking. Yeah, we don't tend to get buy signals, the weekly RSI5 buy signals at all on Ethereum. It's so on the daily chart, I am wondering about a rally here. We do have a big reversal pattern here, but I'm skeptical about that delivering because I don't think the bear market low is in yet. On the hourly chart, we've got another 60-minute buy signal, so we've got 3 out of 3 showing buy signals at the moment. And do we have a potential double bottom here? No, we do have potential bottoming action, but nothing I would identify, and we certainly don't have a double bottom. The only double bottom we've got short term looks like Bitcoin, but I am wondering if that might deliver. It's all right, great, and we've got 60-minute buy signals, which is suggesting a rally here for sure. All right, great. In that case, I think that's a wrap. Everyone take care. I will catch you guys again on Monday. Everyone have a great weekend. Cheers.